Yeah, try medium now. By the wall there.
Do what?
Medium. By the wall. He's got, when you put a little. That's good. Diagonal, do the same. I take it diagonal. Keep them on the outside, Rand. Keep them up. Ah. Oh, super. And again.
There you go.
Yep. Up. That's okay. That's okay. You learn how to do fine-handed now. Good. That's all right.
I don't.
He
Yeah,
just
that
wants
doesn't
to
worry me
show
at
off.
all. He just.
No.
He wants
That's,
to show everybody he knows how to do his lead changes.
yeah. Yes. But I just want you to see the freedom of the shoulder.
Yeah.
How the